United States and has the largest Chinese population in the Western Hemisphere. Chinatown is located on the lower portion of Manhattan and consists of 2 square miles of one of the most unique areas in New York City. Most of Chinatown boasts typical New York City walk-up buildings, but it has a different feel than any other neighborhood in the city. On many streets and signs, Chinese is the main language, and it is the authentic experience combined with authentic Asian cuisine that brings locals and visitors to Chinatown. Chatham Square is a major intersection in Chinatown and is home to 2 landmarks: Kim Lau Memorial Arch honoring United States service members of Chinese ancestry who fought and died serving their country in World War II, and a statue of Lin Zexu, a famous scholar and official of the Qing dynasty. Canal Street is the center of shopping in Chinatown, a bustling commercial district crowded with low-rent, open storefronts. Canal Street is not only home to the main Chinese jewelry district, but also with stores selling such knockoff designer items such as perfumes, purses, and industrial plastics at very low prices, bringing buyers from all over the world. If you are not shopping, you are probably eating in Chinatown. Boasting some of the best Asian food in all of New York City, Chinatown has everything from restaurants, markets, and grocery stores at every turn. Dumplings, one of the most popular foods in Chinatown, can be found at almost every corner. Some of the best soup dumplings can be found at Joe's, Shanghai, and 465 restaurant. Kanji Village on Allen Street serves traditional dishes led by rice porridge, or otherwise called kanji. Try delicious duck at Peking Duck House, Vietnamese pho at Pho Bang, and sit elbow to elbow at Nice Green Bow serving excellent Shanghai specialties at communal tables. Hungry late night? Open 24 hours, Wo Hop on Mott Street is a great choice for late night dining. Chop suey, chow fun, and other Cantonese dishes are served up. The only park in Chinatown, Columbus Park, was built on what was once the center of the infamous Five Points neighborhood of New York. During the 19th century, this was the most dangerous slum area of immigrant New York. Now you'll find locals relaxing, playing Chinese chess, dominoes, and card games while others perform Tai Chi. Chinatown is truly a one-of-a-kind neighborhood to reside in. You don't have to buy a plane ticket to experience the food, shopping, and culture of China. Just check